Yes, sir. Y'all already know the vibes, man. We got these things in the sneaker dungeon, man. Hey, finally. Let's get to it.
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, I don't wanna rap, but this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy DaRetroWizKid back with another video for y'all today. Y'all already know, man. We got this unboxing from Nike. Now, I must say, man, if you guys are new to the channel, before we get all the way into it and we tap into these sneakers, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. Head over to Instagram, follow your boy at DaRetroWizKid, posting them pictures for y'all. And make sure you guys drop a like on the vid. I appreciate all the love and support that y'all continue to show me. And y'all already know, right here we do have one that I've already talked about on the channel, but I finally got it. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna talk you through as I unbox these because I was a little nervous, man. Now, this is, of course, you guys should know what it is. It is the Air Jordan Retro 4 Military Blue. But look at the bottom of my box, man. Look at the bottom of my box. I was shaking that joint. I was like, man, look, man. Maybe they might have hit me with the okey doke. Somebody done finesse me and put something else in there, but hey. Let's get the box up out the way. As I see, it came perfect. I'm talking about A1 sauce, G. Y'all already see it, man. These joints are looking plush. And whoo, yes, Lord. Hey, look, I must tell y'all, man, it ain't nothing like having your pair. You feel me? You know, the video that I did when I gave you guys the comparisons and all that different stuff, those were not my size. Now, today I did get exclusive access on JD Sports to get another pair, but I was waiting on this pair to come because I didn't want to make the same mistake that I made when I purchased the Reimagine Bred 4s. Now, when it came to those, I actually just went on ahead. I didn't hit nowhere locally. I hit the ship to me on Foot Locker and Champs, and I made the mistake of going for different sizes. So I went on ahead and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and cop another 11 off of JD Sports. And you know, I messed up. They were all sold out, and it was in a matter of maybe like less than like 3 minutes. I went back in there and I was like, dang, it is what it is. But this one right here coming from Nike, as you guys see, size 11, my size, man. And this is my true to size, but I normally go a half size down when it comes to my Air Jordan 4s. But this is gonna help me decide whether or not I switch the size that I'm going for over on FLX, because whoo, yes Lord, yes Lord. And I'm gonna tell y'all, man, I know, man, a lot of people do not find this to be one of the top Jordan 4, Air Jordan 4 colorways for the OGs, but I told y'all, man, these joints is gas. This is my second favorite Air Jordan 4 that has come out in the OG colorways. If you guys didn't yet, make sure you guys check out my video, because I did drop a video for you guys talking about ranking them. And see, I want to make sure, and I'm gonna have to try one of these on, man. I want to see if these fit like that, because somebody told me that they fit a little bit tighter. Somebody told me, man, just go with the same size you went go with your true to size. Some people said, hey, they fit a little bit tighter than the actual Bred Reimagines. But you know what, there's only one way to find out, and I know you guys ain't gonna be able to see it, but I might as well do it real quick. I might as well go ahead and unlace this one, pull this out, and try it on. Alright, y'all, now after further review, I will say you can go true to size in these, but your boy gonna probably still gonna try for that size 10.5. And if the 10.5, just so I can see how it fit, these do feel like they fit just a tad bit different compared to the Bred Reimagine. I feel like the Bred Reimagine is just a little bit more plush compared to these, especially when it comes to the area right here where this area is. I feel like the Bred Reimagine is just a little bit more plush. So right here we do have the Bred Reimagine. I mean, maybe slightly, G. It might just be a slightly, and I mean, I might just be a little eyeball off, man. I might be like a little eyeball off when I'm saying that joint is slightly different. But you know what I'm saying, I do feel like these fit a little bit different compared to these, plus it's different material on the sneakers. But all in all, I'm super happy to have this one. I will be giving you guys an on feet look at these. Now today we also had some other stuff come out, man. Drop a comment if you guys picked up some stuff. I'm probably dropping this video, it is Wednesday, this video might drop on, it might drop on Thursday, you know what I'm saying? I might drop this one on Thursday for y'all, and then, you know, Saturday, stay tuned. I'm gonna be giving you guys the on feet and knees and everything like that. That way I can have the time to go outside, get the nice lighting and everything, and knock that out for you guys. But we had a lot of stuff come out. Did anybody go after the GG jerseys that came out on Nike? Comment down below. Cactus Playing Flea Market Air Force Ones. Those dropped 2 colorways. You had the fuchsia and you had the moss colorway. Both Fuego, Sunshine, Cactus Playing Flea Markets. Did anybody go after those? And then also you had those old football type vibes that came out on the sneakers app. But y'all let me know y'all's thoughts and opinion. Y'all let me know that anybody hit on the early release or if anybody hit on the shock drop. It's funny because I feel like, you know, like I said, I was not expecting to be able to get this sneaker because when I hit on sneakers for the bread reimagines, they just never shipped them. It's like they never left the warehouse. I had a tracking number and everything. I could track them. They just never moved. And that just, it shocked me that happened. But this one is a double up, a must double up, man. I ain't gonna hold you, G. It's really like something more like that I say I triple up on. But I think just going with a size 10.5 and a size 11 so I can figure out which one I really want to rock. That's why I'm gonna wait till Saturday before I do the full on feet so I can see which one I want to rock first, based on how they fit and everything like that. But yeah, man, definitely one that is a must have. Definitely going down in my top 10 for 2024. Y'all comment down below. Let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on these bad boys. I'm gonna go ahead and we'll spin some pictures for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Nah, we ain't gonna spin no pictures. We just gonna go ahead and wrap it up right here, man. I hope you guys continue to have a safe and blessed day. You feel me? Until the next video, peace, love, in Laguna Beach, and we out this thing.
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never go stepping. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom.